Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, today we're going to do a simple piece of code that checks if a directory is empty. So we're going to start off with, I'm going to import OS here. I might import time as well. These modules that I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to create a function called check dir empty, so to check if the directory is empty. Okay, I'm going to create something here, a variable called path, which is going to be equal to input. So I want the user to type the full path into here. Enter full path. Okay. And then we're going to do os.chdr change directory to the path that the user has entered. Right. I'm going to use if not os dot list directory in the path. Then we're going to print directory is empty. Whoops. Else, if that's not the case, we're going to print directory is not empty. Whoops. Okay, then we'll just call it check dir empty. Let's just save that. Now on my desktop I've already created a directory called A, and inside A is a text file called test. So that directory is obviously not empty. So let's run this. I'm going to put in the full path. For me is going to be c:// users / mark desktop okay / what was it called? That was it called A. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's called A. Let's just get that back. Called A. Okay, so that's the full path. The path for you will be different, so you'll have to get your desktop user path, because if you type this one in here, it's not going to work for you. Okay, directory is not empty. Of course it's not empty, because we've got this file in here. Now let's say I just delete this. Let's have a look. Delete. Okay, now let's just close that and go back here. Okay, let's just close that down. Let's run it now. Let's do the same. So that's going to be c:/ users mark desktop and A. Okay, so the directory is empty because we just deleted that file. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Hope you like that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.